Welcome to APC Solution. This video is going to be about putting together a small build. To start with, we were given an AMD FX chip, the CPU, which is always going to be the first focal point of your machine. That's what's going to dictate your motherboard that we got here. And we also were given this RAM, these G.Skill Sniper pieces. Then from that, we needed a heatsink, so we ordered one off of Amazon as well. We need a power supply, which we pulled out of a rig. You can check one of our other videos. Hard drive, the Sapphire R9-390, which one of the things you should always consider is the size. Wasn't thinking very well when we made this purchase, and this only has about 2 millimeters of clearance based on what the DIYPC paperwork says is our max allowable size for a graphics card. So we're going to be pushing the envelope on whether or not this will fit. And then we have the case from DIYPC. Great black and purple theme. This build's actually going to be my wife's new desktop for doing all the things she does, including some video editing for another channel you can find called Navigating the Natolis if you want to find out more about us. So with all that being said, let's get into this build. Step 1's complete. Motherboard has been installed. Onto the power supply. Hard drive. For the moment of truth, the graphics card. insert the processor. Never force it, always let it just fall in naturally. That is secure. Since this is a used CPU, I'm going to just clean it real quick with some Arctic Clean 1 and 2, just to make sure we get a nice good contact. Now we're going to install the Alpine 64 Plus cooler. We're going to leave the standard adhesive that came on it for the heatsink, and if we have any issues we'll come back, pull this off and reapply. Now we need to make sure that our CPU cord can reach this plug up here, so if we do it like that we can get it, and if we do it the other way we can still get it. So I think we'll just go like this. Now that we've got it all packaged up, cords are in, everything's hooked up, we button this up and then we'll plug her in and make sure she runs. Thanks for tuning in to this episode by APC Solution. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to be notified about future videos, please make sure to hit the subscribe button.